This is a crawl space encapsulation that we did. So if you see here, what we do is we go up the wall here on the column and we tape it, but we also put a seal in here so that the moisture doesn't rise and come through here. You see the wall liner there. We also seal these vents here. If you notice here, all of the crawl space vents we seal so that moisture cannot come in. And now the ground liner, the important thing is this is 20 mil. It cannot rip. It cannot tear. Even if you had a cable guy or a plumber crawling under here, an electrician, you can slide their boots, slide their tools. It is never going to tear. You can even use this for storage. You can put totes down under here. It's very, very strong plastic. As you can see here, we seal every single seam on here, all right? This wall liner is attached with nails to the actual brick, to the actual foundation. So it cannot fall down over time. It cannot break down. The dehumidifier, what the dehumidifier does is, because this entire crawl space is sealed, this will remove the moisture. So you see here, this humidity is 55%, which is about the same humidity as you would have inside your house if your air conditioner is on. So it's gonna stay really, really dry under here. The moisture is not gonna be able to rise up and get into that wood and cause that wood to rot. Now, if you look here, this is a sump pump. So we installed a sump pump there because once you encapsulate this, if you had a plumbing pipe or something burst, then we don't want it to become a swimming pool under here. So any excess water that may happen will go into that sump pump and be pumped completely out of the house. Now, this place is going to be completely dry. There's going to be no condensation on the ductwork. There's going to be no condensation on the bottom of the actual air conditioning unit, which happens a lot here in North Carolina. It gets really moist and damp. The bottom of the air conditioner will rust and rot out. So this will actually extend the life of the air conditioning system. It saves a lot of money. You can see here we seal the bottom of every single gap here is sealed all the way around the crawl space. Now there are some options where some homeowners will decide to just put the ground liner down. It's an option. What that'll do is that'll stop the moisture from coming up from the ground. So you have an option to just put the ground liner and we'll come up the wall just a little bit so that the ground is completely covered and it'll be sealed completely around the wall. So this is how a crawl space encapsulation looks. Thanks for watching.